far as Boston's concerned, it started out as a very cold, light, dry, fluffy snow. The temperature did get up to around 32. It got a little bit wetter, but then the temperature around 6, 7 this morning abruptly dropped to the low to mid 20s. And so it hasn't been what I think it would be called a flash freeze for Boston, because it never was that mild. However, it's a little bit of a different story. Like places like North Weymouth, where it's 28 now, it was in the mid 30s. So that's a little bit closer to a flash freeze when they had the temperature drop. And Scituate is starting to drop back now, too. So over there, that may be a flash freeze coming up within the next 1 to 3 hours. So that's what we're dealing with. But where it's cold, boy, it is really cold. And I think you can see now the wind is becoming more northerly, whereas it was a little bit more easterly last night. So that's a change, and that's why the cold air is slowly moving south and east. And that boundary between that ocean easterly wind and that cold northerly wind is slowly moving south and east, and that trend will continue. New Bedford's 35. It's been snowing, but again, that's a wet, heavy snow, and the temperature will be dropping slowly there. So it will kind of get cemented if you don't try to remove it in the next several hours. But at the same time, we want to caution you, it is heavy, wet snow. So if it's not safe for you to do it, if it's too much of a strain, hopefully maybe somebody else can do it or help you out with it. But here you see the wind gusts right now, still pretty significant. Although the very strongest of winds seems to have passed. That's important because we do have a high tide coming up. We'll address that in just a moment. This is what it feels like out there. It feels like single digits from Boston north and west. It is cold. There's no question about that. All right, here's some fairly late reports that we've got in. Over a foot in South Natick, over a foot in Saugus, exactly a foot in Waltham, Lunenburg 10.5 inches, and Stoughton 9.6 inches of snow. The winter storm warning will continue until 1 o'clock this afternoon. The snow gradually will be abating, but along the coast, there'll still be periods of accumulating snow, even a little bit beyond that. You can still see some pretty decent snow. You see it around Providence, you see it around Lakeville, Brockton, and of course Boston is snowing steadily. Another area that's getting some pretty good snows now around Orange, Mass, and on up into Vermont, New Hampshire, of course, as well as the Berkshires. When we widen out a little bit, though, look what's happening around Hartford, Connecticut. You see how drier air is getting in now, and that's a back edge that will slowly be moving eastward because the storm system is now moving eastward, and therefore the back edge of the snow will move eastward. So if you're back from the coastline, you definitely will see an abatement, if not a complete end to the snow during the course of this afternoon. As I mentioned, along the coast, it'll be a slower situation in seeing that happen. Here's a closer look. Again, the deeper purples, we're now at noontime. Notice how it's a nearby South Shore, around Boston, still steady across Metro West, then getting lighter and lighter as you head west. And then you'll see that continue to move eastward. And there, suddenly by 5, 6 o'clock, it is now light snow, quite light, that color indicating the intensity is not anywhere near what it once was, but it lingers along the South Shore and the Cape because that northerly wind is coming off the cold ocean. So that could continue overnight into early tomorrow morning for those areas. And that's the way it's going to shape up overall. All right, we'll have some sunshine in Boston for tomorrow, but looking at the next 12 hours, it's still a snowy picture, although the snow will be decreasing gradually in intensity this afternoon and should be ending this evening in Boston. So it still looks pretty widespread for 10 to 18 inches of snow. But of course, with all the mixing and change that's gone on the Cape, 5 to 10 inches will cover that. The highest amounts would be right around the canal. Lower amounts as you head toward the Outer Cape. Smallest amounts of all would be around Nantucket. And yes, the high tide. So we're now into that period of time where we have a coastal flood advisory. The high tide's 1 o'clock this afternoon. Fortunately, the very strongest of winds have ended, but it still is windy, and it's an 11.3 foot tide. So that does mean some splashover is likely, possibly some minor coastal flooding and some road closures. And we'll give you a little glimpse of what follows this storm. It will be cold for a couple of days, and then it looks like the pattern will be a little bit less cold later in the weekend, and especially around the middle part next week or getting a little bit before Christmas. Right around Christmas itself, we could be getting maybe a change back to colder weather, maybe a little moisture preceding that, but it's a little too early to know much about it. But anyway, this has been the big story, and of course, still is. It's not every time in December that Boston gets a snowstorm this big, that's for sure. Erica and Antoinette?
Right.